We're out here at Cascade, 620 Cascade. We got the tank here in the ground. We got tank level there, and level side to side. And then inside of the tank coming in. We got slope coming into the tank. And then on this side, we got slope leaving the tank. And also got a pipe bedded here inside of the tank. That's our effluent filter installed. Inlet pipe. This will be a video of all the levels coming in. We got side to side level there, side to side level there, or length level here. Inlet pipe. We got downward angle coming into the tank. Side of the tank there. And then we come down here. We got our F1 filter here. And it's hard to get a video of this on, but downward angle leaving the pipe, or leaving the tank. I don't know if you can see that, but and then inside of the tank here. Pipe going to the STA. Inlet pipe coming in. Here's also the pipes coming into the tank out here. Downward grade coming into the pipe. Over here. Downward angle. To the STA.